Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you are using an administrator account and that Winzip is not running. Once done, press Windows key, type Settings, open Apps and Features, and find Winzip in the list. Make sure to right-click or use the three-dot menu and select Uninstall. This triggers the built-in removal. If you have license keys or custom settings you want to keep, export them now. These steps reduce permission issues and preserve any data you may need later. You will now follow the Winzip uninstaller prompts carefully. When it asks about user data, choose according to whether you want settings removed. After the program exits, open File Explorer and manually check C, /program files /Winzip and C, /users /your name /app data /roaming for leftover folders. Delete them if present. Next, run disk cleanup to remove temporary files and free space. Make sure to reboot the PC so any locked files are released. This helps prevent reinstall traces and ensures a clean system state. Finish by confirming Winzip is absent from control panel programs and features and that zip file associations default to File Explorer or your preferred tool. If shell menu entries or context menu options persist, use a shell extension manager like Shell Xview to disable Winzip entries, or reinstall Winzip and uninstall again to clear broken hooks. If file associations or system integrations still misbehave, run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano, then reboot. This repairs corrupted system references that can keep traces alive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.